How to play 1v1 in CS2. So first, just open up your browser. Once you are on your browser, you just simply need to go to fshost.me. So type it in right there and just sign up with your account. And once you're signed in, you just simply need to click on start free server right here in CS2. And it will bring you right here. We could pick any server location that you want. So let's say I want this server. Now just type in the names, and there's already a password set up for you. And you could also set the default if you want, but I'm just going to go with that on the default. And I could pick any map that you want. So let's say I want to go with Dust 2. And you could either check if you want the anti-cheat turned on. So let's say I want it off. Now just simply click on start your server. And just simply wait for it to load. So once it's loaded, it will bring you right here. Or you could just simply copy this one and go back to CS2. Go to settings, go to game, and go to game again, and make sure that enable developer console is turned on. And go to console binding and check what your keybind is. Once that's done, open it up and just simply paste it right here on the console. And it'll basically just load up and bring you right here on a map where you could just simply send the same code or the same command to your friend so that both of you can play the 1v1 right here on CS2. So as you can see, this is the one right here. And that's basically it.